So looking at this current Bitcoin price action, you can see guys, the price of Bitcoin has unfortunately lost one of the most and also the strongest line of support, which you had around 23,000 to 23,300 range. And now after breaking that support, we have started to show this free fall. Will it continue further? Because according to the CPI indicator for this month of March, our first target is lining around 21,500 to 21,600 range. And along with this first monthly target, we also have this 100 weighted moving average lining exactly around the 21,500 21,600 range. So now since we are below the CPI indicator, this lower line is where we could be getting gravitated before price chooses a trend direction. And we also know yesterday when we were talking about this bull flag type of formation, I made it very clear. If this here is going to be turning out into a bull flag continuation pattern like this, right, price following the price opportunity from this bull flag around 25,000 to 26,000 range, we have to overcome the resistance around 23,800 at any cost, and only after flipping that into support we are expecting this trend to continue. But I showed you in the worst case what could happen, just like this one here from the past price action, because we found out inside the descending channel, whenever the price of Bitcoin was showing this impulsiveness, what unfollowed during this uptrend, we were finding support at this rising trend line. But once the rising trend line support got broken, you can see the price showed this relief rally, got rejected exactly around that area before showing another corrective movement towards this descending channel lower line. And here a very similar scenario unfolded: support, and yesterday when the price was hovering around that area, I warned you, if this line here is going to get broken, then we could be seeing another free fall type of movement where the price could be getting gravitated towards the lower line area from this descending channel before showing any sort of a range bound or before showing any sort of a relief rally. And exactly after reaching around the descending channel lower line, you can see the price of Bitcoin has now slowly started to show this impulsiveness. But what I want you guys to look at, not just only this descending channel, but also the dead cat bounce scenario. Yes, we did talk about this dead cat. We also said if this here is going to be an actual trend continuation like this, then we have to overcome the key line of resistance above 23,700 23,800 range. But remaining below that could turn this impulsiveness into a fake out, and price in that case could be showing another corrective movement, just like as shown in an example. Because also in our case, you can see price after this relief rally got attracted towards this 0.5 Fibonacci line, 50% retracement, just like as shown in a dead cat bounce scenario, and then started this corrective movement. So according to this dead cat bounce, now if the trend of Bitcoin is going to continue here to the downside following this original trend direction, the target from this dead cat bounce would be somewhere between 21,500 to 21,600 range. So that's why guys, that's why this 21,500 21,600 could be looked as our next potential target for Bitcoin for the upcoming days. Yes, the target from this dead cat bounce, the target right from this CPI indicator, the target from this 100 weighted moving average is also lining parallelly around this 21,500 to 21,600 range. And also if you look at this in a bit different way, I mean if you simply look at this formation as a ascending channel or bear flag pattern, according to this pattern, it's very simple to understand. The upper line here was acting as a strong line of resistance, right? Upper line was a strong line of resistance, lower line acted as a strong line of support. But when we lost the support around this 23,000, you can see we started showing this free fall. And even according to this bear flag pattern, if the trend of Bitcoin is going to continue further here to the downside, the target is very clear: 21,500 to 21,600 range. The target from this dead cat bounce is also around 21,500 21,600 range, and even the target from this 100 weighted moving average and first monthly CPI support line. We were also talking about this rising weight support and crypto Anup buy sell indicator. So we knew that this lower line is definitely going to be acting as a strong line of support. But in our case, you can see the price after breaking the 23,000 started showing this free fall, and now even this crypto Anup buy sell indicator could be turning bearish very soon. So we have to be careful, because according to this rising wedge, it has already started playing out. And in that case, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to continue even further, because we know it's not just only this one. Even guys, even if you look at this formation in a very simple way, this here is a linear chart, and according to this linear chart, the next area where we could be possibly getting gravitated before price chooses a trend direction would be, according to this linear chart, where around 21,600 range. So 21,500, 21,600 would make a lot of sense. So please guys, be careful, because if this trend continues here to the downside, this is exactly right, this is exactly where we are looking at. Because I personally think if the price in the medium short term is going to show any sort of a range bound, it is okay, but we are expecting this upcoming days to be a move like this. I mean, price slowly getting gravitated towards this key line of support, also the support from this right angle broadening wedge, right? This lower line area, which is sitting on 21,600, could be retested before deciding what to do next. Because if you look at this example here on the right hand side, this here is a continuation pattern, this here is a reversal pattern. So according to the continuation pattern, we have to break the upper line resistance to turn this price bullish. But if this here is a reversal pattern, you can see the price will also break the support which we have around 21,500, 21,600 range. And it's not just only because of the price action. If you also simply use the support and resistance line to identify the trend duration, you can see here the price could be right in one of these support or resistance line. I mean, in the past price action, we have found out around this price range of 24,000, this was a very, very important line of resistance, and that's also exactly where we got rejected. Same line was acting as a support, right? Same line was acting as a support, but in our case, it has failed, and price after that also started showing this bearishness. Same scenario happened here. Support, 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 key line is support. So what I'm actually expecting the price of Bitcoin to do here in the medium short term, show a movement like this, price showing a relief rally. We could be right, there is a possibility for a price to again get gravitated around the 22,800 to even 23,000 range, but that is going to be the line of resistance. Yes, this here, right, you can see is definitely going to be looked as another important line of resistance. And after that, I'm actually expecting the price of Bitcoin to show a movement here in this manner, price getting attracted towards our next area of confluence, which is around 21,500, 21,600 range. So that's why for me, this area here around 21,500, 21,600 makes a lot of sense, and also the line where we have the most support lining for Bitcoin. And that's why I have an order, a buy order. You can see size 2.279 Bitcoin, open long around 21,660 price range. So this is where I'm actually expecting the price of Bitcoin to get attracted, and also after that show a very nice relief rally, because we know after reaching around that area, all the price opportunity which we just talked are going to play out. And that means maybe after reaching this area, the price is going to show a very nice relief rally type of movement. So that's why I'm desperately waiting for this price to come across the 21,500, 21,600 range. And also guys, if you want to take advantage of this kind of market volatility, then definitely grab these bonuses and trade with these bonuses without risking your own capital, because you can see Phemex is giving around $6,050 welcome bonus, which is going to end in 3 days from now. So guys, if you haven't claimed this bonus, the time is right now. It's so simple. You can see, follow any trader for the first time and get a $5 contract cashback voucher, social media voucher, follow Phemex Twitter account and retweet our pinned tweet to get $5 spot voucher. You can see it's so simple to claim all of these bonuses. And additional to this, we also have crypto Anup bonus, exclusive bonus, which is going to end in 18 days from now. With all the additional bonuses from here, you will also get additional $10 bonus. So you can see guys, Phemex, no KYC for those individuals who are actually telling me, hey Anup, OKX, I have to go through KYC and I don't like that. So Phemex, no KYC. And also all of you who sign up using my Phemex, who sign up using my Bybit or OKX will be added to our private Telegram group, which will be, I think, available until the end of this month. So take advantage of these bonuses and also see you in the private group soon. So guys, these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you enjoyed my work, then please destroy that like button, and for those individuals watching for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.